Hello fellow students, I will be telling you the science behind a tennis racket. The racket is one of the most fundamental tools necessary for the game of tennis. The length, composite materials, grips, and strings all affect the player's ability to play the sport. The physics and science behind the sweet spot, that's the part where you hit it and it makes a good bounce, are important to understand. The sweet spot on a racket is not really an area, but rather a point on the racket. The weight and specifications of a racket are important because the moment, torque, and torsion generated by the racket can greatly affect your play. An impulse reaction is a push or pull on the hand resulting from an impact. Impacts above the center of precision will be defined as a negative force on the hand, and below will be a positive force. A positive impulse reaction is considered to be better because of the fact that it leads to a less impact force. Work is the energy used to generate a certain ball speed. Work is also a measure of how energy efficient the racket is. The debate or what is considered control rages on. There is no clear way to quantify or define control. No clear way. There are many things to consider when deciding to purchase a racket. Hopefully, the science behind the reaction of a ball and a racket will help. Each player, which racket is suitable for them. And that is the science behind tennis racket. Okay, so these are the parts of a tennis racket. If you hit the ball right here, that's a dead spot. It'll just bounce down. And right here is called the center of precision. This is an okay spot to hit. In the middle, right there, it's a really good spot to hit. Okay, because that gives a distance and it's called the vibration mode. Right here would probably be we call it a best bounce because it'll go where you're targeting at. And right here is the center of the mat. It could be used to hold your tennis ball. And right here it's just made out of rubber. Yes.